Horizontal lines flickering across your Sony TV screen can be distracting, frustrating, and hard to ignore. Whether the lines appear constantly or come and go, they often signal an issue that needs attention. In this video, I will show you how to fix horizontal lines on your Sony TV screen step by step. The first thing you should try is a power reset. Start by turning off your Sony TV and unplugging it from the wall. Then, press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself, not the remote, for about 15 seconds. After that, wait at least 2 minutes to let any leftover power drain from the TV completely. Once the time is up, plug the TV back in and turn it on. This kind of soft reset might seem simple, but it can often fix temporary glitches that cause horizontal lines on the screen. Make sure all the HDMI cables and other input cables connected to your TV are secure. Sometimes a loose or damaged cable can cause horizontal lines on the screen. Take a moment to check if any of the cables look worn out or bent. Now, disconnect all the external devices from your TV and turn it on. Open the on-screen menu. If the horizontal lines are not showing on the menu, then the problem is probably coming from one of the connected devices or cables. Reconnect each device one by one to find out which one is causing the issue. Now check if your TV software is up to date. Using outdated firmware can sometimes lead to display problems. Go to the settings menu on your TV and look for either customer support or product support. From there, choose software update and then select network update if your TV is connected to the internet. Just follow the steps shown on the screen to complete the update. If your TV isn't connected to the internet, you can go to Sony's official website to find instructions for updating the software using a USB drive. If the issue is still there, you can try doing a factory reset. Just be aware that this will remove all the customized settings you've made on your TV. To do this, go to the settings menu. Then select either storage and reset or device preferences. Choose factory data reset and confirm your selection. This will return the TV to its original factory settings and might help fix the problem if something deeper in the system is causing the lines. Another thing you can try is testing different input sources. Use a different HDMI port or connect a different device like a DVD player or a game console. If the horizontal lines only appear with a certain device or on a specific port, then the issue is probably not with the TV itself, but with the input source or that particular connection. You can also go into the picture settings on your TV and reset everything to default. If that doesn't help, try adjusting the brightness, contrast, or sharpness settings one by one and see if it makes any difference to the horizontal lines. Sometimes, the way these settings are configured can make display problems look worse than they actually are. That's it for this video on how to fix horizontal lines on your Sony TV screen. I hope these steps helped you get your display back to normal. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Got any questions or did one of these methods work for you? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it went. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.